Hello everyone, in this lecture we will discuss about the transient heat conduction and lump system. Now, as we know that the transient heat conduction temperature is a function of time and space. Space can be in x direction, y direction, it can be z direction, and can be time. So temperature is a function of time and space in the transient heat conduction. In the transient heat conduction, temperature can be increases or decreases with the passage of time. So this is the transient heat conduction. Now, lump system. Before the lump system, consider we have a copper ball. Suppose this is a copper sphere. Suppose the temperature, someone study the temperature at this side, at this point of the copper, at this point. Suppose someone study the temperature at this point of the copper sphere, and suppose it was 60 degrees Celsius. Now, suppose someone study the temperature at this point of the copper sphere and the temperature come out to 60 degrees C. Similarly, suppose someone study the temperature at this point in the copper sphere and it was 60 degrees C. Similarly, the temperature at this point. Suppose the temperature at all point in the sphere, when measured, it was 60 degrees centigrade. So, such type of system in which the temperature is not changes with position in the sphere is called lump system. Such type of system in which the temperature is not changes with the position in the body. The temperature, in this case, the temperature at this position and the temperature at this position was same. The temperature at this position and at this position was same. So on every point the temperature is same in this sphere. So this sphere is a lump system. So in lump system, the temperature is same in each position. All the temperature is same every year in the system. Temperature is same every year in the system, but the temperature changes with the passage of time. Suppose someone start an experiment and at 0 second or at 1 second, the temperature at these all position was 60 degrees centigrade. Now, after 1 minute, if someone measure the temperature and the temperature at this position, these at all position come out to be 50 degrees centigrade. Similarly, after 10 minutes, the temperature come out to be, at every position, the temperature come out to be 40 degrees C. But after 1 minute and after 10 minutes, the temperature at every point is 50 degrees. The temperature at every point after 10 minutes is 40 degrees. So the temperature changes with the passage of time. Temperature decreases with the passage of time, but the temperature is not changes with position with the passage of time. So this system is called lump system. We will further discuss the lump system analysis, the criteria for lump system, and the David number, and also the transient heat conduction in infinite mediums. Thanks.